Hello everyone, my name is Joie Harbor. I'm with the Creation to Revelation team, and today we're going to be talking about the Truth Seekers subscription boxes. Now, the purpose behind these boxes was for you to have an opportunity to talk more about the Bible with your kids, to learn more with them, and ultimately, we hope and pray that you will grow closer to God as you go through each box each month. So why don't we take a peek inside, and then I'll give you a few tips on how you can use it with your kids. So whether you get the 6-month subscription or the 12-month, you will start off with the 17 time periods. If you're new to CTR and you're wondering what are the 17 time periods, it's basically a timeline of the events of the Bible from beginning to end that can serve as a foundation for you and your child to build your Bible knowledge upon. Figure out what was in the beginning, what happened after that, what happened at the end. So you can put the story together that God has given us in the Bible. So why don't we look inside? We have our flashcards of the 17 time periods, the magnets, 17 time periods, the exact same images right here. And your child will also receive their very own coloring book with their name on it. Evelyn is my daughter. She's 8 years old. So if you're wondering, why is all of it 17 time periods? Well, like I said before, learning the 17 time periods is the foundation that you build your knowledge off of. So first of all, for any age, whether it's 2 to 5 or up through, elementary, even I would learn the order that they go in, whether you're just reciting it before the flood. I'm also going to link a video that can show you some hand motions that the kids and I have used to help us learn it. We learned them originally from Hannah Jinks and her Mommy and Me page, which is a great resource to help you teach your kids about the Bible. I've also made a song to help us learn the 17 time periods. So you are going to focus this month on learning what happened when, a very basic timeline of the Bible. So with littles, like 2 to 5 years old, you are going to focus on with them the big picture of the Bible, what happened when. And also, when they are looking at these images, Adam and Eve, there's Noah, I'm going to skip around a little bit, David and Solomon. In our illustrations, they are always going to look the same. So if you look in our review pack or our history pack, David is always going to look the same. So when you are going through and learning the 17 time periods over and over again, which is great for littles and us as well, they are going to recognize these people. They're going to be like, oh, I remember them. That's David. That's Adam. And they are going to start to make those connections. So with the products in your box, you can take your magnets, put them on your fridge, or I've got a little magnetic marker board right here that they can put them in order. You can, after they've learned them pretty good, take a few off. See if they can figure out which ones are missing and put them back in order on the fridge. Or you can lay them out like this on the floor. Maybe if you have several kids, give each of them a card. See if they can run and put them in order real fast. So that's a few things that you can do with your littles. And then with the kindergarten to, 3rd grade, your goal with them is going to be start filling in some of their Bible knowledge and people within the framework of the 17 time periods. So you're going to be talking more about the stories that happened in the Bible. You can even use, these illustrations and ask them, what's happening here? This is creation, and then what followed with Cain and Abel. You can ask them to describe what happened in each of these time periods. And then whether you are using more of our products or other products and you are talking about certain stories of the Bible, like maybe you're talking about Samson or Deborah, and then you ask your kids, which time period is this person from? And you could lay maybe out 3 different cards, and they have to figure out which time period does this person live in. So that's for your early readers. And then for like your fourth grade through eighth grade, you're going to work more towards memorizing an event from every chapter in the Bible. That's something you can do. So you can work through reading through the Bible with your older kids, and that will really help put in perspective with the 17 time period. So from young to older, you're building more and more, but it's important to start with a foundation that you can come back to and remember, oh, I remember that person lived during the Judges. I remember the building of the temple was during United Kingdom when Solomon reigned. So, and also I'll point out on these cards, it has the names of the people, which is super helpful, especially on Divided Kingdom when we're talking about all those different kings. So these are a few resources and tools that we wanted to give you on your first month to build that foundation and begin to learn more and more about the Bible. We're so excited to do this with you. If you have any questions, please, or just need more tips, please feel free to message us at any time, and we'd love to get back with you and help you in any way that we can. I pray that God will bless you and your child's journey as you learn more about Him.